Māori baby removed immediately after birth without the mother knowing. She was alone in her room at the time and was numb from the hips down, having just undergone a caesarean section. Hospital staff entered her room and told her that they had to take the baby for a check. When she asked 2 hours later where her baby was, she was informed by staff that it had been uplifted by Oranga Tamariki.
It is an inhumane practice that has been going on behind closed doors and people don't know about it, but now they do.